Dancers, yeah, what's going on? Let's discuss hip hop, the dancing from that is so popular and always changing. It's a complete culture, a crazy amazing trip that has been going strong for decades, and it's more than simple a few moves. Think about it. Everything is hip hop, from the original breaking dancers fighting in the street to the incredible choreograph you see on YouTube and TikTok. Each style, popping, locking, and breaking in house has its own unique superpowers and secret language. What is the best part? They all blend together. Do you want to combine the seamless flow of contemporary with a wild energy of crump? Take action! Do you like to spice up your breaking with a some Afrobeat or perhaps some ballet steps? Do it. Being created and making your own is the essence of hip hop. There are no rules or correct or incorrect ways to do it, just pure, unadulterated, fantastic. You know what? There are so many talented people here, poised to dominate the dance industry. You are the ones who will create the next great things. You are the future, the next level of awesome, and your playground is hip hop. Remember, it's more about creating than copying. Being you is more important than being flawless. Finding your rhythm, your style, and distinct flavor is the key. Make a mistake, it's okay. Take a lesson from it, stumble, get back up, and continue to groove. That hustle, that passion, that fire in your belly, that's what hip hop is all about. It's all about expressing yourself, using your movement to show the world for who you are. It's all about sharing your energy, forming connection with other dancers, and producing something more than yourself. So, get rid of your doubts, embracing your crazy side, and let your inner dance beast loose. Let your style shine, let your move convey your story, and let the world see incredible power of hip hop as you have you revolutionized it. Okay? That's all. Thank you.